Bay leaf tea, a soothing remedy for cough. 1. Ancient origins. Bay leaf tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. 2. Cough relief. Studies suggest that bay leaf tea may help alleviate cough symptoms. 3. Respiratory health. Bay leaf contains compounds that support respiratory health. 4. Antioxidant properties. Bay leaf tea is rich in antioxidants, which may help boost immunity. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaf tea can help reduce throat irritation. 6. Relaxing aroma. Enjoy the calming aroma of bay leaf tea while sipping for added relaxation. 7. Simple preparation. Making bay leaf tea is easy. Just steep dried bay leaves in hot water. 8. Natural alternative. Bay leaf tea offers a natural alternative to over-the-counter cough remedies. 9. Soothing warmth. Warm bay leaf tea can provide soothing relief for a sore throat.